Hola estudiantes, I am here with your lesson for today and I'm going to start with an explanation and if I can give you the instructions for your plan we will record another video, but we're going to start with the explanation. So let's move to that. I am in your book. This is your book. When I click browse in the book, it takes me here. When I click here, it takes me to different chapters in the book. So I am going to start with our part for today. So this is what you're going to need for today's work. We're going to start learning about the greetings at different times of the days, how you direct people, how you address people, depending on if it's somebody that you are close to or somebody that you need to be formal. And also the titles for people. So let's see. In this first page, you have 3 conversations. And the title of this lesson is Hola, ¿cómo te llamas?
Buenos días, señor.
Buenos días. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Felipe.
So that's the audio for this first conversation.
Buenos días, señor.
Buenos días. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Felipe.
Buenas tardes, señora.
Buenas tardes. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Beatriz.
Mucho gusto.
Encantada. Buenas tardes, señora.
Buenas tardes. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Beatriz.
Mucho gusto.
Encantada.
Buenas noches. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Hola, me llamo Graciela. ¿Y tú?
Me llamo Lorenzo.
Mucho gusto.
Igualmente. Buenas noches. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Hola, me llamo Graciela. ¿Y tú?
Me llamo Lorenzo.
Mucho gusto.
Igualmente.
Okay, so you hear the 3 conversations. I want you to notice what time of the day these conversations are taking place. So this one you can see is 7 in the morning. This one is 3:30 in the afternoon. And this is 9:40 in the evening. So in that way you know that when you're saying good morning, you're going to use the buenos dias. But when you are in the afternoon, right after 12, you're going to say buenas tardes. And then when it's dark, you're going to say buenas noches. And that is the greeting. And this little note right here, it says señor, señora, señorita. And that those are words that mean sir, madam, and miss when it's alone. And then when you use it when the names of people, you use the Mr., Mrs., Miss. And in Spanish, you also have an abbreviation like this you're seeing here. Okay, so let's go to our next page. In this page, you have this activity that you're going to resolve. Is you don't have to click anything here. You just need to listen. But you can do it in your activity. You can listen in your activity. But in this one, you have an example. So let's watch the example. Here's our example. Let's listen to it, please.
Hola, ¿cómo te llamas?
Me llamo David. ¿Y tú?
Me llamo Antonio, mucho gusto.
Igualmente.
Okay, so that's your example right there. Okay, so that's your example. I showed you the example because in one of your activities, you're going to have to record like something similar to this. You're just going to write a little conversation between 2 people, but you have to do it by yourself because you don't have a partner to work. So you just record it by yourself. It's just the voice. You don't have to record the video, just the voice. And the book is giving you the tool to do it. So you just have to click record and record it right there. Okay, let's go to our next page. Our next set of conversations is hola, ¿cómo estás? So in this part of the conversation, we're going a little farther, asking the person, how are you? So we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 conversations, and it has also ways on how to say goodbye. So let's pay attention to the conversations. Here is the audio.
Buenos días, Adela. ¿Cómo estás?
Bien, gracias, señor Ruiz. ¿Y usted?
Bien, gracias.
Buenas tardes, señor Ruiz. ¿Cómo está usted?
Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú?
Bien, gracias.
Buenas noches, Miguel. ¿Qué tal? Regular. ¿Y tú, Carlos? ¿Qué pasa? Nada.
Adiós, señorita Moreno. Hasta luego. Hasta mañana.
Hasta luego, Juan.
Nos vemos.
Okay. Here's like a reminder of the lesson that we just saw, the lesson we saw before. Señor, señora, and señorita are abbreviated to sir and I cannot pronounce those, but you see them before a person's last name. Okay? So that is why I'm Señora Vaz. Let's move to the next page. All right, I was experiencing a little difficulties with the system, but here I am again. So let's try this again. That's my recorder. I was talking about this element. Tú versus usted. For most Spanish speakers, there are also 2 ways to say you, tú, and usted. You're going to use tú when you speak to friends, family, people that are your age, children, and pets. You're going to use usted in a formal way. So when you talk formally, you use it to show respect, and when talking to people you don't know that well, older people and people in positions of authority. And then it's showing you that usted is almost always abbreviated like this, UD, with a capital U. You will have a similar activity with this that you need to complete in your assignments for this week. I also would like to share this diagram, graphic organizer that I made, where you have the ones that you use when you use tú with friends, family, pets, people your own age, and usted for all this in red. Sometimes people are like laughing when I say pets, but we Hispanic talk to our pets. We fuss at them, we talk to them, and when we talk to them, we use the form tú, the informal way. Okay, let's go back to the book. Back to the book. That's all the information you need for now to complete your activities for this week. You're going to do something similar to this, but your activities are going to look like this. And now I'm going back to the section of the book where we can see the assignments. So you have a few assignments for this week. You have this that is your presentation. So you're going to look both presentations. Please be sure that you complete this. So it's just to go and see the pages that I just showed you and then do this. It's just to follow what they are asking you to do and see that it's completed, that is marked completed. And then you have your practices. So I'm going to show you some of the practices. We're going with the first one. It's an audio activity. So this is how you do audio activities. You may notice that I cut these once in a while, but it's because I don't want to take time with the video just for you to see something spinning there. Okay, so this is, you read the instruction, you have these 3 options, A, B, or C, and you have here A, B, or C to answer. When you click this audio, it's going to open in a new window and it's going to start playing. So you need to listen and answer the question. He says here what number question is, number 1. So you listen to the audio, it's question 1, you answer your question 1, and then you click next for the second question. Let's try it. Sorry, it logged me out. I'm going to pause again.
Buenas noches, señor Rodríguez.
Hola, Roberto.
So the person said buenas noches. Now I
Buenas
know that it's
tardes,
buenas
Alicia.
noches. And I
Buenas
pick
tardes,
the one
señora.
that refers to the nighttime. So I click that one. And I
Buenas
go to
tardes,
number 2.
Alicia.
That's number 2,
Buenas
the one
tardes,
playing.
señora.
It says buenas tardes. So I pick the one for that.
Buenos días, señora Gómez.
Okay, so I finished answering all my questions. I'm in question 6. Then I click next. And it's going to show me that I already answered all the questions. And I'm going to click submit my work. There is going to change. It's going to show me that they are completed and that I got them all correct. If I didn't get one correct, it's going to show me that it was not correct. And I can actually go and try it again and do it until I get it correct. So that's for that activity. Moving to the next activity. Okay, in this activity, you're going to have an example here that is similar to the one we already saw that I showed you in the other video. I'm going to let it load in there. Here you have the record button that you're going to use, and you have 3 attempts to record your answer. So you are going to write a short conversation, and then you're going to read it like you are the 2 people. Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien, or whatever they are asking you to do. And here's the
Buenas
example.
tardes.
Buenas tardes. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Paco. ¿Y tú?
Me llamo Lourdes. Mucho gusto.
Igualmente.
Okay, that's the example for this conversation. You're going to do your own conversation right here, and you record it. So that be, and then once you have it recorded, I had to record something. Buenas tardes, ¿cómo te llamas? Me llamo Paco, ¿y tú? Me llamo Lourdes, mucho gusto, encantado. Okay, my recording is ready, and here says that I had 2 attempts remaining. So I'm gonna, if I already like it, I just leave it like that. If I don't like it, I can, let me move this here. I can delete it and try it again. I'm gonna leave it like that. Click next, and then it says that you have to submit, and then it says that I, the teacher, have to check this one. Teacher will score. Okay, so that's another type of question. I think I'm gonna leave this video right here, and I'm gonna continue with the 2 next assignments in another video because it's already 13 minutes. Okay, I'll see you in the next one.